Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. So as you've seen the title today, I will be talking about all Peri lip tints that I have got. Some are matte, some are glossy, and actually I have also got one of their makeup products that I really wanted to show it to you guys. And I would be also comparing the Peri lip tints with the Roman one. I have already done a video where I did a guide to all the Roman lip tints, and I hope this video will be a very interesting one. So I have actually got four of this ink velvet lip tint from Peripera, and all of their formulas are different. They are from different categories. Also, I have got their ink moody glowy tint. It's like the packaging is very cute. Now I'll be starting with their ink velvet nude collection in the shade 24 milky nude. It looks something like this. Now this has a very cute bottle which I absolutely adore, and it comes with a very slanted doe foot applicator, and the applicator is kind of a bit fudgy. It picks up a lot of products. You don't have to dip in quite a bit, and I really like the applicator and the bottle itself. Now the color of the bottle kind of resembles the color inside what color you chose, but actually it's completely different, so don't get fooled by the packaging, like the color of the packaging. And the color is like this. On my hand, the swatch of the color looks very nice until unless you see it on my lips. Now, as you can see, this is how it looks on my lips. It looks completely like a different color than what I swatched on my hand. So I am not sure what is wrong with the Peripera lip tints. It is not exactly what you swatch. And even if I wait for a couple of time, it doesn't oxidize or comes to somewhere close to my hand swatch. It looks like casket white, something like that. I have bought it, so I will make it work. That's what I do. So yeah, let me just show you how I make it work. So as you can see, the maximum coverage what I'm getting is from the lip liner itself, which is a very cool tone brown color. With this warm nude color, it is just gonna give that perfect balance, and it's gonna make my lips look very poppy and also a bit of 90s, and also gives a very good gradient effect, which I really like. And now just I will use my pinky and just feather it out. And this is how I make this lip liner work, and it looks super good. I really love how it's looking. What do you guys think? Now coming to the next one, it's from the same nude collection. It's in the shade 23 nutty nude. It looks a little bit promising and it has a very kind of chocolatey color. It looks very cool tone chocolatey color. Okay, so now I'll just give you a hand swatch what it looks on my hand. This is nutty nude. It looks a little bit pinkish warm nude on my lips. When you initially apply, you can see there is a shine, and once you kind of press your lips a couple of times, the shine kind of goes away. The color looks bearable. I can make it work. It looks fine according to me, and I can wear this without a lip liner, but still I would prefer a lip liner for sure. But again, with a lot of fair to medium skin tone, this color would really look very pretty. But with dusky skin tone, this can wash you off. So again, you have to wear a lip liner with this sort of color. Again, don't go with the packaging. That's what I don't like about the Peripera lip tints. The packaging gives you a very promising color, which is not what you will get inside. And again, in the hand swatch, it looks completely different, but when you apply it on your lips, it just looks another different color. Okay, that's not how Romand works. That's the best part. What you see in the packaging is what you get on the hand swatch, is what I see on my lips. That's what I like about the Romand lip tints. But this one is completely very a different feel. As you can see, Nutty Nude left a little bit of kind of a stain, a little bit of a brownish pinkish hue on my lips. Now I'll be going with the same lip liner and the shade Nutty Nude on the center of my lips. And this is how it just turned out. It looks so beautiful, guys. The color is just like So gorgeous. I really love this kind of nude colors on me. They are very flattering on my skin tone. Now moving on to the next shade that I have got, it is the Ink Airy Velvet Lip Tint. It is in the shade 23 in the peach light. Now this is how the packaging looks like. It has a very beautiful gradient kind of a packaging with a pink hue to it, and the color you can see from the below, you can see a very beautiful pink tint. Now this is the OG Ink Velvet Lip Tints, okay, which is the original formula, and this one is the Ink Airy Velvet Lip Tints. So the formula for this one is a bit different than their original. It is more whipped, more like somewhere you have a whipped cream and you have whipped it more and more, so that it is now very fluffy, very airy, very lightweight. You just won't feel the formula on your lips. It is so lightweight. Now the color, if I have to describe this color, it's a very warm peachy pink color which would look very flattering on the summers. In the springtime, it should look very flattering as per my hand swatch. Now let's just go ahead and like apply it on my lips. Hmm. It has a very florally smell to it which I really like. Somehow it smells really good. This is how I would personally wear it. Just kind of apply it on the center and just dab it around. Now coming to the last Ink Velvet Lip Tints, it is from their red collection. It is in the shade 19 Love Sniper. This is how the packaging is, and obviously as per the color inside, it gives a red kind of bottle, which I really love. And I want to say this red is so beautiful, so beautiful. You will just see it right now. I'll swatch it here. The formula is the same, so nothing new about the formula, but the color is like, oh my god. Can you guys see? It is so pretty. I really love this lip tint, and the stain is really crazy. It leaves a very strong stain on your lips. This is the Roman lipstick that I swatched on my Roman video. I would like to do a side by side swatch. So this one is the Romand one and this is the Peripera one. Definitely I would say the Peripera one looks much brighter than the Romand one. Romand one is a little bit more warm red, whereas Peripera one is a little bit of on the cooler side and looks a little bit more brighter. Now coming to the last lip product from Peripera is their Ink Mood Glowy Tint. This is how the packaging looks like. Again, a beautiful gradient packaging. I really love this packaging as well. Now when I initially swatched it on my hands, I really thought that it will not show up that well on my lips, because as per the previous lip tints, I really thought so. And again, the color looks very warm, brownish, nude color. I really love this color on my hand, but let's just see how it looks on my lips. Now the color is actually pigmented because it hide all the lip stain that I had from the other lip tints. That's nice. Now this one actually looks exactly like my hand swatch. What I swatched on my hands, this one actually looks similar to my hand swatch. It is not different. That's good. I would actually show you a clip where I have used the same lip tint without any tint on my bare lips, so that you can understand what the color actually is, because here you can actually see the redness a bit because of the tints that I used, but the color is super cool, super nice. I really love that glossy effect, and it actually gives super high shine on my lips, which I really love. Now coming to formula wise, I actually like the Peripera one more than the Roman Juicy Lasting Tint. Roman one is more kind of lighter and feels very lightweight and has a very cooling sensation, whereas this one is not very lightweight, feels a little bit thicker to give you that glossy look. And you can hear a lot of background noise because I just now broke my mic with which I was recording. Yeah. The last product that I wanted to show you guys is a blush, which is the Peripera Sunshine Cheek. You already shine, and it is in the shade 02. I really love the color. Now coming to the packaging, oh my god, I have actually not tried this before. This is brand new. This is how it looks. The packaging is super cute. It actually has this peachy kind of plastic packaging, but the color is again Super cute. I really love it. It's like it's okay, you already shine. Okay, it has a lot of fallout. Oh, this look. Oh, it does show up on my skin. I was very skeptical with this blush because I thought it will not show up on my skin, but it does. It looks very beautiful and peachy, and the formula is very nice. It kind of just absorbed all the oils from my face that I was having. Wow. The blush looks on my skin. I really love the color and how it shows up on my skin. Beautiful. I would really recommend this blush. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for the noises. In the end part of the video, my mic actually broke when I was filming. So yeah, I have to get a new mic. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like the video, comment down below which is your favorite shade, and if you have tried some other good Peri Pera lip tints, let me know in the comments so that I can get them for myself and swatch it for you guys. So yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.